Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force restarting your iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your iPhone has frozen and turning it off the regular way is not working, you may need to force restart it. To do so, you need to press the volume up button followed by the volume down button, and then hold down on the right side button until the Apple logo appears. You can then let go of the side button and your iPhone will restart. Make sure that you don't hold down on the volume button at the same time as the side button by mistake, as this will start the emergency SOS procedure, and if you don't stop, it will call the emergency services. If this does start to happen, you will see it on the screen and it will start vibrating. To stop it, just let go of the buttons. Hopefully your phone restarted successfully and is no longer frozen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone 12 tips and tricks.